Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI, and if you like donuts, then you're going to love this pan. These Wilton nonstick donut pans have been my favorite addition in my baking journey. I am by no means a professional baker, so I love how easy it is to use this pan, but not only that, how beautiful everything looks when it comes out of it, even when I make it. It looks so pretty. It looks really well done, and it does look really professional. And with me, presentation has been my biggest issue. So the fact that this pan is super easy to use and also everything that comes out of it looks so beautiful, I really love. I also like that I have been able to make things in it that I normally maybe wouldn't have before, like cornbread for my chili. And let me tell you, cornbread in the shape of a donut just tastes better. So whether you're a pro or a beginner baker, you are going to love baking with these pans. But that's just my point of view.